Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. Loosen the captive screws holding the base cover in place. Using a plastic scribe, pry the base cover from the palm rest assembly, starting at the top edge and working your way around to release it from all sides. Now lift the base cover from the palm rest assembly. If your computer is unable to enter service mode, disconnect the battery cable from the system board. To remove the solid-state drive 2230 on slot 1 and 2, identify the solid-state drive. Remove the 2 screws. Lift the thermal shield off the solid-state drive. Slide and lift the SSD from the slot. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, place it back in the system. Replace the thermal shield. Install the 2 screws to secure the drive. If the battery cable was disconnected earlier, make sure to reconnect it to the system board. Next, align the base cover with the palm rest assembly and gently place it into position. Tighten all required screws to secure the base cover in place. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.